Okay, so we are now ready to create our Power Pivot table by using both of these tables. So I am in the Power Pivot for Excel window, and I'm on the Home ribbon, and I'm going to click on Pivot Table and Pivot Table. And we will say, okay, create a new pivot table. And over here, I have my queries and connections. This shows me my two queries. I could actually create another query based on the same data. So those would be listed here, but I don't need those right now. And here are my two tables. And if I toggle them down, you can see the fields for each table. So the first field that we're going to apply is the county field from the population table. So if I click on it, it actually defaulted to the rows, and that's where I want it to be. The next one I'm going to add is the population field, and because those are numbers, that will actually fall right under the values category. Then we're going to add the Fujita from the tornadoes table. So the actual tornadoes. And when I click on this, because the Fujita is showing the effects of the tornadoes it's measuring, it's not going into the values, but we just want to see actually how many tornadoes are in each county. So we're going to put that in the values, and then we're going to create a relationship so that these numbers will get updated. So within the top 20 counties, there were 146 tornadoes, but we want to see how many tornadoes were in each county. So to do that, we will create a one-to-many relationship, and we will use tornadoes as our foreign key, and the population table will be the primary key, meaning that for each county, the primary key, there might be many tornadoes. And we'll click OK. And you can see once we do that, it shows us the total of our tornadoes for each county. And then we're just going to make this a little bit more understandable. So in B3, we'll label this county, and this can just be population and tornadoes.